Channel, Jared at 3Cs. Today we're going to show you how to change a Beta air filter. Too many phone calls and emails on how to do this, so let's just do a video. I think it's a lot easier. So come on in. We're just going to pick the first bike in the row. This is a Beta 125. Come on in, Cam, let's show this. We have one pull here and one pull right here. So I'm simply, and I didn't prep this, I haven't done it. It's just a simple pull and pull. Cover is off, and then this is so simple. So to get this air filter cage out, we have this little tab right here. I'm gonna pull down on it. It's down. I'm just gonna rock the air filter up and pull it out. So I can just get my finger in there and pull out on it. Your Beta air filter is out in less than like 7 seconds. So here it is, the air filter cage. You would change your air filter, get all your tabs back on, get the air filter back in the way you want it. I would grease it, it's just the way I am. And right here, this is our upper tab. So if you can kind of zoom up in there real quick, Cam, or tilt the camera. We're aiming for this to go up in there, right? So I'm gonna sneak this up in there. It's now in that tab. I just simply pushed it in. And this is so simple. So all we're gonna do now is we have to get this bottom tab. You can see, I think this is where the confusion is. People are getting stuck right here. And I think what's happening is sometimes this tab is pushing out like that, right? Like there's not enough room. So if you take your finger on the back side of this right here, I can push this tab in. I just pushed it in. I'm just gonna take it. My finger's still on the back side, and I simply push it in. Like your air filter is already back in, everything is locked in. And the last thing I'm gonna do is just reinstall this for you guys too, because it's super easy. So we have one tab on the top, and 3 on the side. I'm just gonna set it up in here, and just go like this. And let's do one more bike, just because if you think that was simple. So come here, let's try this one. This is a Beta Xtrainer. Right here in the showroom, I'm gonna pull, I'm gonna rock it out. This one, a little more difficult on the back side because you can't stick your finger all the way through the cage. So this is the Beta Xtrainer. Again, we're just gonna stick it right back in right here. You can kind of see right there, same tab design. I'm gonna stick it in there, put it right back in. My finger's on the back side. Here, come on down here, let's do this. This is a 450 RX. Surprised the phone hasn't rang yet. So here we go, there's our side panel coming off. Come on in here, bud. So here's an RX, and we'll do this one. Air filter is out. I'm gonna put it right back in. We got a tab on the top, push it in, get my finger down on the bottom. And what else do I have in here? This one's here's a 500.
500 RS.
So we're gonna do 500 RS. And my fingers are kind of greasy, so I'm not touching the grips. There it is, there's our air filter. I'm pull it down. This one has the screen on the back of it. This is an RS, you can see the same thing. I'm gonna put the tab up in the top of it, and I'm gonna just put my finger on the bottom. I'm pushing out on the tab, and I'm just pushing in on it, right? Because there has to be pressure, like we have to push this in so that way the cage doesn't just fall out. I don't know what else people want it to do. If there was no pressure here, if I didn't have to push in, then the air filter cage wouldn't get a seal there. So thanks for watching. This was Jared at 3Cs, and that is an air filter tutorial.